Ever since Hyper popularized the usage of USB-C hubs back in 2015, little has changed over the last 5 years. Virtually all USB-C hubs in the market today are first-generation hubs with typical connections like 4K 30Hz HDMI, UHS 1 microSD SD, 5 gigabits per second USB-A, and 60 watts USB-C power delivery. Introducing the next generation of HYPERDRIVE USB-C hubs with double the speed and power of current hubs. We call this HYPERDRIVE Gen 2, which features UHS 2 microSD SD, 10 gigabit per second USB-A, 4K 60Hz HDMI, with USB power delivery supporting up to 100 watts. With Gen 2, you get 2 times the video refresh speed on a 4K display, 2 times transfer speed over USB, 3 times transfer speed for your memory cards, and 2 times the power to charge your computer. HYPERDRIVE Gen 2 also works perfectly with mobile devices like the iPad Pro, with a long cable to allow the hub to lie flat instead of dangling in midair. With our 6-in-1 HYPERDRIVE Gen 2 hub, you get the following ports. Need more ports? Try our 12-in-1 HYPERDRIVE Gen 2 hub, which supports multiple external video displays. There's also a HYPERDRIVE Gen 2 hub with 18 ports that supports digital and optical audio. There is a HYPERDRIVE Gen 2 hub for every device and every task, from tablets to laptops to desktops, from accessing files over any connections to advanced video and audio editing. HYPERDRIVE Gen 2, the next generation of USB-C hubs, is here.